My name is Mary Abu. Thank you for supporting me. I'm so happy for what you did to me.
Okay, my name is Marco Dinka. I am happy today, but I am thanks for supporting me for education.
My name is Sajina Nyalong. Thank you for supporting my education. Thank you.
My name is Monica Wooding. Thank you for your supporting of my education.
My name is William. Thank you for your supporting me.
I am Sarah Dua. Thank you for your supporting me, my education.
My name is John Anai. I tell you that I am very happy today for them to supporting me.
My name is Farskil Ahmed. Thank you for supporting.
Thank you for your supporting my education.